This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All insights are based on psychological research and principles, presented to enhance your understanding of manipulation dynamics and self-defense strategies. Close your eyes. Imagine a shadow creeping over your every move, a puppeteer pulling strings you can't see. Every choice, every doubt, every step you've taken this week, orchestrated by invisible hands. You're not alone in this. Millions are controlled the same way. For the next 9 minutes, I'll peel back the curtain on 7 psychological warfare tactics they use against you. But that's not all. You'll walk away with the scissors to cut those strings. Stay with me. Let each revelation sink deep. To become the man who sees the game and masters it. Let's set the stage. Most men live blind, reacting to forces they don't understand. Relationships crumble. Decisions falter. Confidence erodes. Why? Because they're under siege by narcissists, manipulators, even systems designed to bend your will. Psychologists have mapped these tactics through decades of research. Studies from Harvard, Nature Neuroscience, and beyond. These aren't random tricks. They're weapons refined in the shadows, used to dominate without a fight. You're about to step into the light where you reclaim your mind, where you turn the tables on those who pull the strings. First, let's uncover the manufactured urgency. Picture a clock ticking louder, a voice pressing, "Act now or lose it forever." Your heart races, your thoughts blur. This is biochemical warfare. Harvard's 2021 study revealed a cortisol surge speeds decision-making by 72%, while Nature Neuroscience shows your prefrontal cortex, your logic center, shuts down for 8 to 15 minutes under pressure. Real world? That car salesman shouting, "This deal expires in 5 minutes." Or the MLM recruiter insisting, "Only 3 spots left this month." Even toxic partners wield it, "If you loved me, you'd move in now." It's a trap. Panic overrides reason. But you can fight back. Try the 5-5-5 rule. Ask yourself, will this matter in 5 days? 5 months? 5 years? Let the panic fade. Or use the banker's trick. "I'll sleep on it, expect my answer at 10 a.m. tomorrow." Watch their urgency crumble. Practice this daily. Every pressured moment is a chance to reclaim control. But beware, overusing delays can signal weakness. Strike the balance. Feel that clarity returning? That's your mind waking up. Let's dive deeper into the love bombing assault. Imagine a flood of affection. 14 texts before 8 a.m., soulmate whispers within 72 hours, gifts with invisible strings. Narcissists and cult leaders share this playbook. It's a dopamine flood hooking you like a drug. Then comes the withdrawal, strategic 47-hour silences, optimal for addiction per a 2019 study, followed by barbs like, "I'm so busy, unlike you." It's torture by design, leaving you craving their return. Armor yourself. Track contact frequency in a spreadsheet. Patterns emerge in 11 to 14 days with the addiction scorecard. Respond with the poker face. Delay replies by 1.5 times their response time. "I'll get back to you," you say, calm and unshaken. Test this in your next interaction. Watch the power shift. But here's the edge. Don't cut contact cold. Gradual detachment preserves your strength. Pause now. Breathe deep. Feel the weight lifting. That's the burden of manipulation easing. Let's move to the gaslighting distortion. Picture your reality warping. Someone says, "You're remembering wrong," planting micro-denials. Then, everyone agrees with me, anchoring their version. Finally, maybe you're just paranoid, seeding self-doubt. The Journal of Clinical Psychiatry found gaslit individuals misremember 3.6 times more events, eroding your grip on truth. Fight back with a forensic defense kit, cloud sync screenshots, timestamped recordings. Build a witness network, a private group chat with allies to verify events. Next time they twist your words, pull out your evidence. Let's review the record. You say steady and firm. Practice this weekly. Every distortion is a chance to rebuild your reality. But stay composed. Anger fuels their fire. Let that resolve settle. You're stronger already. Now face the triangulation chessboard. Imagine friends turned against you. Your mom thinks you're difficult too, or the office noticed your attitude. Manipulators use this to create false consensus, pulling others into their web as flying monkeys. A 2016 study showed triangulation amplifies perceived pressure by 40%. Strike back with the group call maneuver. Let's all hop on Zoom to discuss. Or preempt with a warning. They might try to turn you. Stay aware. Test this in your circle. Call out the tactic openly. Watch their influence collapse. But here's the key. Keep your allies close. Isolation is their weapon. Feel the tide turning? That's your power rising. Let's explore identity erosion, the soul hijacking. They don't just control, they erase. You laugh less to avoid you're too loud. You ditch hobbies they mock. It's a slow theft of who you are. Reclaim with the unshakable list. Write 10 core identities in present tense. I am someone who creates. I am someone who stands tall. Chant boundary incantations. This is who I am. Take it or leave it. Practice this nightly. Each affirmation rebuilds you. Next time they criticize, recite your list silently. Watch their words lose power. But stay vigilant. Self-doubt creeps back if you falter. Pause again. Let that strength anchor. Now, confront the social proof hijack. Imagine a herd turning against you. Everyone thinks this, they say, weaponizing your tribal instincts. A 2013 study showed social proof sways 60% of undecided minds. Defend with the Sherlock test. Show me the poll data, the texts. Or play the contrarian. Funny, I just spoke to them, they said the opposite. Test this in your next group. Demand proof. Watch the facade crack. But here's the edge. Don't over-challenge. Pick your battles. Breathe deep. You're nearing the end game. Face the guilt transfusion. Emotional vampirism. They bleed shame into you. You're letting me down, they whisper. Fight with verbal Krav Maga. That sounds like a you problem, delivered with a polite smile. Or, how would you like to handle that? Forcing accountability. Practice this daily. Every guilt trip is a sparring match. Watch them retreat. But stay calm, rage gives them fuel. Now the final battle plan. The 7-day immunity challenge. Day 1 to 7, practice 1 countermeasure daily. 555, poker face. Evidence, group call, unshakable list, Sherlock test, verbal Krav Maga. Day 8, audit your relationships. Cut the strings where needed. Imagine standing free, every manipulator exposed, every tactic dismantled. That's not a dream. That's your victory. Close your eyes one last time. See yourself, unshaken, untouchable, the puppeteer now cut down. That's the Obsidian mindset. That's the man you're becoming. This is just the start. Subscribe to Obsidian Mindset for weekly insights to sharpen your mental edge and defeat psychological warfare. Hit that bell. Don't miss the next video where you'll learn to reverse these tactics against abusers. Want the ultimate defense kit? Join our Telegram at Black Files, link in the description. Comment below. Which tactic will you master first? Let's forge the dangerous version of you. Watch. Rewire. Rise.